Are you looking for fun things to do in Las Vegas with kids?
Well, that's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we had in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west.
Now I'm going to school and we're loving this crazy life.
On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for Ivy living, and take you on amazing adventures, just like this one.
So if you're new here, click subscribe to join the younger gang, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
And if you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up.
We've been in Las Vegas for about 2 weeks now, and we wanted to give you a recap of some of the fun things we found to do together as a family.
Las Vegas isn't exactly known as a family town, but we have found some really fun things to do. So today we're going to share with you 7 ideas of fun things to do with the kids, plus 2 bonus tips, one about where to park and the other about where not to eat.
So be sure and stick around to the end for those. Younger Every Day hit the Forum shops because Dawn needed an iPhone and we wanted to let the kids goof off, and then we also tried to check out the Atlanta show. I wouldn't necessarily recommend wasting the time. The effects are cool, but when I saw them 20 years ago they were probably really cool because they were newer, and they're really hard to hear and understand. What did you think about it?
Couldn't hear anything.
And now we're just walking through the shops. We ate at CARMINE'S, that was pretty good. Maybe a little pricey, but it was family style, so we got a ton of food for our 6-person family. What do you think about the ceiling, Haley?
We're not inside, we're outside.
It's like we're outside. Hey Connor, get by the thing and make the face now. That's that face. Let's see Connor's face. That's pretty good, Connor. It's like you guys are twins. Is that a statue of you? We're all just talking about why there's a dragon.
Yeah.
Why is there a dragon?
Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year. No, you and that dumb spoon. No spoon for you. Come back 1 year.
This is the face. That's what he's making the face. His
Somebody-
father just stole his spoon.
So that's why the guy's making the angry face, because somebody just stole his spoon. Connor, what are you doing?
Looking at the map. It's really echoey in here.
Hey, I just want you to know,
Yes?
you're not a hacker in control of the Matrix right now.
Yes, I am.
We came to the buffet at the ARIA because 2 kids eat free for every adult, and they have a beautiful hotel, and a friend recommended it, so hey, here we are.
This is how tall my stack will be. But if there's plus desserts.
So let's see what we've got here. Connor picked up some food there. Haley said she's saving the best for last, so she's having pizza to start. Ansley, you got a nice selection there. Mommy found the salad bar, that's what Daddy and Haley wanted. And then Kenzie found some Asian food. And I found a little Asian food, a slice of pizza, and a few other things. I don't know, some shrimp cocktail. Kenzie, what'd you tell me? What did you send Mommy to get you?
You get 2 breadsticks.
Okay.
And then I'll be done once I eat.
What'd you say about that dumpling?
It was delicious.
All right, good. Ansley, what's Mommy going to get you with Haley?
2 breadsticks.
2 breadsticks?
And my nose roll.
And what?
1 tiki roll.
What'd you get there, Haley?
Donuts. Whatever this was. Cake pop. Tart. Ice cream that I got.
Cool. spicy, and you said what?
I ate a ghost pepper.
So you think you're gonna take it on because you've had a ghost pepper?
Maybe.
All right, let's do it.
Maybe.
So we just had dinner at the ARIA at the buffet. Now we're gonna check out the fountain. The girls are really excited about this waterfall right here. Looks like fire in the middle. Kenzie, you see that fountain? Hi, Kenzie. Part of a restaurant. Have you ever seen this many people crossing the street before?
On shows.
On shows.
Isn't that pretty?
What?
Sound like fireworks. Well, that was worth the price of admission. Kenzie, what'd you think of that show?
It was amazing!
Pansy, what'd you think?
Awesome!
What'd you think, babe?
It's very cool. I liked it.
My favorite part was getting to watch it with you guys.
All right, so we're doing my favorite thing when we visit the Strip in Vegas, which is to park at Caesars with valet for $7 and then tip them and get the car back, compared to like 21 bucks at the hotel next door. This is pretty awesome. And they just park it right out here. It's pretty cool, even with the carrier and everything. So it's really awesome.
And our final bonus tip is we really suggest you don't eat at the Luxor.
Yeah.
We loved the buffet at the ARIA. The one at Luxor was just
Was really bad. It was
really expensive.
Yeah, in fact, I tried to complain about it at the end, and I think they didn't
didn't
understand
care.
what I was talking about. So I just wrote them a note saying how bad it was and what a waste
was
of money it was.
lousy.
It was so bad.
Yeah, it was not good.
Those are some of our ideas for fun things to do with your family when you visit Las Vegas. Now we want to know,
What are some of your favorite things to do with your family in Vegas?
Let us know in the comments below. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure and give us a big thumbs up and let us know you liked it.
And don't forget to click subscribe to join the Younger Gang so you can be a part of this awesome community.
And we hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over there.
Including maybe we saved the best for last. I don't know. You'll have to check it out and see one of our favorite things that we've done while we're here.
So, taking a trip to Las Vegas, which is not really known for being family friendly, but finding some fun family things to do there and sharing them with you, that's just another way we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.